doing business?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yep.
I haven't heard this truck run in like 7 months, man. No one else could figure it out. The poor truck's been parked here for about a year, so maybe 7 months to a year now. 12 grand into repairs on it so far, and I can't figure out what's going on. Every 3 to 4 weeks seems like he's breaking down.
Looks like it's time to scan it and figure out what's going on. We have a desired and an actual, so we'll watch those numbers against each other, and then the voltage for reference. Ooh, cranking too slow. So we're putting jumper cables from a running 7.3, and then we've got a 6.4 over here, jumpering the other side. Hey, maybe we should have our Fickum grounding out on the intake. That would be very, very good. All right, guys, we noticed the fuel pump wasn't turning on, so we took the filter off, and we've got hardly any fuel in there. This fuel bowl should be completely full with the fuel pump on, and we had the key turned, and obviously we're getting no fuel to the bowl, so either we have a pump or a circuit issue causing no power to the pump. So here's your fuel pump. It's on the rail if it's factory, and in his case it wasn't even making any noise or nothing. Okay, we're testing the circuit here. Okay, go ahead and fire. Boom. So we know power's getting to our pump. Finally get to use my new snap-on brushless 3/8. This is giving me a hard on right now. Hello, really cool stand. Love the camera stand, pretty cool. Not the first time I've had. Actually, I don't think it's my second first time I've ever had. Holy shit. What a fucking mess. God damn it. Touch it.
To save some money out of frustration of dumping hundreds, thousands of dollars into this truck, I got an $80 fuel pump from O'Reilly's, hoping it would fix it.
And we were saying, so this is the whole pump housing, but you just swapped this top.
Correct, yeah, I just broke the filter in the back where the fuel filter's at, pulled those 3 bolts and just bolted that new pump back in without removing the whole unit.
Yep, yep. And it does seem like a really good solution at the time, obviously, to not spend a crazy amount of money, but I was telling him, you know, we haven't had luck replacing just these pumps. They're not good quality. They always seem to fail shortly after. And you were saying, how long ago was that done? And
from the time I changed that thing out and started having issues with this truck, probably a good like a month and a half, probably no longer than that. And then just out of frustration, the truck sat, 7 months now because I didn't want to keep dumping money into it.
Exactly. I can feel the pump working. I can feel it pumping. That is a good sign. All right, guys, we went to turn the key and we got our fuel pump working. Look at that. Fuel leak. All right, go ahead and cut it. Bad to the bone, baby. So you're happy, but also a little sad, right? Let's get your thoughts on this whole process.
I mean, I haven't heard this truck run in like 7 months, man. No one else could figure it out.
That's so crazy.
Yeah, you came out, you did some hard work, a lot of testing. Ideally, this is not the official pump we would want in, but it was under warranty, so we went ahead and just did it for testing purposes.
And this will get you out of here, out of the storage lot. So
yeah, so we don't have to keep paying on storage on it anymore. Hopefully, we can get this thing home finally and start getting it going again.
Make some money.
Make some money.
Let's be going. This could be you guys right here. Wasn't starting, crank no start. say I was? Was I the fourth mechanic?
Fourth mechanic, yeah. Take
That's
a look at it.
so ridiculous.
Yeah.
So I'm the fourth one who came out here, and none of them got it running. Am I?
No, yeah, I mean, after $12,000 in repairs and numerous parts thrown at it, first fuel pump was a false diagnosis.
Yeah.
I should have kept the original factory one in there because that one wasn't going bad. Put a cheaper precision just to get me down the road and hope it would last for a while. It didn't, crapped out after a few months. We picked up another one under warranty just for testing purposes, and we're looking at getting a better one.
Yeah.
Ended up being a cheap fuel pump that caused a whole slew of issues.
That's crazy. So don't cheap out with your parts for these Power Strokes, unless you want it to last just a little bit. But we got it figured out, and sometimes those can be kind of hard to diagnose, but we found no fuel in the bowl, and we found that we had power going through our circuit to the fuel pump, but the pump wasn't kicking on. So now she's running. Pleasure doing business.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yep. We'll see you again maybe sometime soon.
Maybe sometime soon.
Not.
Hopefully not, but we know who to call now.
Very cool.